Good afternoon, we're here at 9 Lambert Street, Kangaroo Point, better known as the Monterey building. I'm taking you through our podium level, which is level 1. This is our standard 3-bedroom floor plan. Now, I'm excited about this layout for a couple of reasons. Firstly, it's a 16 metre frontage, which pricing starts from $819. It's unheard of to get that value of real estate in Kangaroo Point and with a north-facing view. So as you walk through the front door, to your right, you're afforded with this beautiful large kitchen. So we've got a 2.5 metre island bench here, which works around pantry, fridge, and I've got all the appliances and sink behind me. This area here opens up into a living room, and then obviously around to your left, we'd work out to the dining room, and you've got that gorgeous big balcony across to the right, which is completely north-facing aspect. Behind us, as we walk through here, we have a separate master suite, which has got its own ensuite. Walk-in robe is behind, so you'd be walking through this space here. Master's completely separate. It also gives you a really good look at how this CLT construction's been adopted as well. So these are our load-bearing walls. Again, I'm super excited about Gardner Vaughan Group and what we're doing with this particular development. Because of the CLT construction, we're also affording a significant ceiling height. So your standard apartments sit around 2.5. At Monterey, we've got an average ceiling height of closer to 2.7. So master bedroom, amazing aspect. Behind that hoarding, you are looking straight down the line of the Story Bridge. You could not ask for a better uninterrupted view. So if you walk through to your right there, we're going back through the dining room. And again, when we come out to the balcony here, the 3 bedrooms in the centre of the building, known as the O2 floor plan, they have the largest balcony in the actual development, aside from the penthouse. So over 15 square metres, again, a very generous frontage. Balustrading sits up here, of course, and again, you'll be out here entertaining on a Sunday afternoon, looking straight down the line of the Story Bridge. All your friends and family will be over here to take advantage of the entertainment of River Fire and New Year's Eve fireworks. The balcony again does open up to the 2nd bedroom, which is also separated with the 3rd bedroom over to the northeastern side of the residence. Now that is serviced by a large main bathroom. We've also got the laundry position behind the kitchen, so it's not quite a butler's pantry, but we've had residents who have bought in the building already that are looking at that plan to redesign. Storage is a premium here as well. So again, these residences are 125 square metres, but the lineal storage space, even if you walk into this 3rd bedroom, from the glass balustrading in the window, and you can actually get a really good view through there as well. So this is the 3rd bed. Even on level 1, it just shows you how much elevation we physically have. It's unheard of to see a view or this type of outlook from a level 1 residence. So again, because of our podium, you can actually see the old heritage houses in front of us. Now those homes are not only a character residential, but a heritage home that is completely protected, can't be moved. Our floor is sitting at the pitch of their roofs. You've got a beautiful green outlook. This aspect is also uninterrupted. So you've got the benefit of buying in Monterey. You'll never be built out. And even across here to the right, on level 1, you get a smidgen of that river view. So we never made the decision to actually sell these lower level residences with a view of the river, but as we've realised as we progress through the construction of the building, even from level 1, you're afforded with some river aspect. And as you'll notice with the size of the 3rd bedroom, it's quite a generous proportion where you've even got your own walk-in robe, and then you're also afforded with, again, another 6 lineal metres of what we class as linen and pantry cupboard space that works from here right across to the back of the kitchen. So residences that are the 0-2 type, being number 1 right up to level 6, a price from $819,000 up to $1.19. These properties have been selling quite quickly. As an investment, they are yielding around 5.5%. Fantastic option in the current marketplace. We have also seen a number of downsizers coming from around the area, in the suburb even, that are looking for something that's brand new with that beautiful frontage. So again, if you're interested in a property that is priced more affordable than any other product we have in the current market, I would not hesitate to arrange an inspection today. Thank you.